Hey guys, I have some of the new Dina Wakley media collection to share with you and also some of the new Ranger Letteric collection. So let's get right into it. So before I start, full disclosure, Ranger sent me these products. But of course I'm going to be honest, everybody knows that I'm obsessed with Dina Wakley and Dina Wakley media. So, you know, I'm not just saying that I like this stuff because they sent it to me. I mean, if you've seen any video on my channel, you know that I'm obsessed with Dina Wakley. So, that being said, she came out with some new collage words. And these are, you know, on tissue paper that you can collage down. And what I like to do with these is I like to cut them apart, especially like the smaller words. I like to cut them apart or adhere them down to cardstock and then cut them apart and then use them as like phrase stickers or, you know, for like my main sentiment. And so each pack has black and then the same sentiments in white, which is really cool. I don't think her last pack had white. Actually, no, it didn't. So yeah, this is new with the white. That's pretty cool. And then as far as collage elements go, we have new collage papers. They're full sheets and there's 20 of them in a pack, and these are the faces, which are so fantastic. So you have 4 full-size faces in black and white, so 8 of them, and then it looks like this one has 4 faces on one sheet, which is pretty cool, again in the black and white. I have so many ideas for these. I'm so excited. So, and then we have these collage papers. There's 20 of these as well in black and white. We have some circles, some starbursts, looks like some phrases, some wording, which is cool, some circles, and some windows, which is really cool in black and white. And then as far as stencils go, now I don't have the whole collection, I just have a few pieces from it. So if you want to check out all of the new items, you could go to ranger.com and they have a press release of all the new items for Dina Wakley. So, okay, this stencil is hearts, super cool. And they're like they're not perfect if you can see that, which I like that. And those are called the best hearts. And then we have this one's called ladders. I was going to say, before I knew what it was called, I was going to say, to me it looks a little bit like ladders. So there's that one. And then we have these faces. I love her faces. I just love them so much. And these are called circle faces. Super cool. And then we have, what do we do? It says spill and write and paint and color and stamp. Fan-friggin-tastic. I love that one so much. And then the stamp set that I have is called Quirky People, which I love so much. So this guy has a little bit of a wonky hat. We got this chick. She looks very regal. This one has a little bit of a crown, and she's sitting on like, looks like part of a postage stamp. And this one has little thing, it looks like a little boy with little cheeks. And I'm guessing this stuff came out of her art journals in the past, because they look like collage-y things that she has done in her art journal. So that's called Quirky People. And oh, and then also they have the new fine liner caps for the small paint bottles. So if you're familiar with the fine liner caps that go on the old tubes, and I heard that they're not making those anymore, so the tubes. So this one goes on the bottles to make them fine liner, which is super cool because I love the fine liner. I'm trying to find something that I can. There we go. So yeah, you can scribble, add dots. Super cool. I'm going to need one of these for each bottle. Okay, so I will be right back with the new stuff from the Letteric collection. Okay, some new stuff from the Letteric collection. And again, I don't have the whole collection, but I have quite a few pieces from it to share. So this one is called Invitation, and it's got all the things you would need to do invitations. Cards, RSVP, let's celebrate, party, you're invited, even time and place, location in that fantastic script. Love that so much. And then this one is called Rejoice, and it has rejoice, hope, trust, grace, peace, praise, faith, and bless. And then it has two little decorative kind of elements. I could really see this, using this for me in my art journal more than on cards. I think a lot of these would be great for you know, the main wording in my art journal. Stamp them, cut them out. And then this one is called Loves, and it's got hugs and kisses, XOXO, love, love of my life, anniversary, you forever. So it has I, and then it has so in and you, so you can do so in love, I love you, so in love, I was going to say with you, but there's no with, forever in love, you could just stamp the in, love you forever. So lots of different variations that you could do there. Super cute. And then we have happy and XOXO that has like a little bit of an open to the letters, which is cool. I love the script in the letter collection. So obsessed with it. And then we have some stencils. This one's super cool. It's like confetti. To me, it looks like sprinkles on a cupcake. It's called Party Time. Great for party cards. Or I think it would actually be cool in an art journal too. A little bit of that like doodle element, you know. And then we have this one. I love this one so much. Puzzled Mosaic, it's called. Love anything geometric. Super cool. And this one is called Organic Stripes. You can check out the Ranger website to see the rest of the stamps. I think there's 9 sets in total, and yeah. And then I also got the A2 size ivory cardstock and gray cardstock, which I love the gray so much. And then we also have some adhesive foam in white, black, and clear. I am so excited about the clear. There's so many times when I've wanted to make something dimensional, but you could see like the tape through it. So this clear is going to be a game changer. So obsessed with that. And then we also have a pack of black fine liners that come in 3 different size tips. We have a 0.25, a 0.45, and a 0.75. And they're pigment, water-based pens, fade resistant. And then as far as the inks go, look at these bright, bold colors. I cannot even. We have Belize Blue, Canary, Orange Bliss, and Wild Berry. You know I love bright colors, so I'm pretty obsessed with these. I think these are going to go so well, not only with the stamps in this collection, but with my Dina Wakley stuff. Very excited about those colors. And then super excited when I saw these in the press release. I was so hoping that I would get these. So these are the new embossing powders. We have hot pink, orange, lime green, and turquoise. Look at those colors. I just cannot even. I do not have any embossing powders that are these bright, bold colors, and I just can't. I cannot wait to try them. And then we also have a new pack of Perfect Pearls. We have pink gumball and turquoise, and you know it comes with the perfect medium and the little brush. And they have a little bit of a bright color theme with this release, which I'm pretty excited about. So yeah, check out Ranger's website to see all of the new stuff that came out. And I will have videos in the maybe later on today or coming up in the next couple days using the new products. So let me know what you guys think. Are you gonna get any of the collection? What's your favorite thing? Yeah. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.